Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you are here for the first time, do hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all our future updates. So today's video is about how to make this designer boutique style dupatta. These kind of dupattas can be paired with kurtis or with lehengas. So I'm going to show you an easy trick on how you can do it all by yourself with very less material and investment. I am super excited and I hope you guys are too. So let's get straight into it. So to make the dupatta, I have taken 2.25 meters of this net fabric. It has some sequin work. Let me show you the right side. Yeah, this is the right side. So it has these small sequin buttas, and then I have taken one roll of this lace. So I think this is about 9 meters. Usually you get all kind of laces in 9 meters. And along with that, you will need some satin fabric. Satin, or you can use any other material, but since I already had some satin lying around, I am just using this fabric. Now the first thing would be to cut satin fabric into long strip like this, because this we will be attaching together. So what I have done is I have just cut this strip a little wider than the lace, so that we have enough to fold. This is including the margin, whatever you are seeing on the screen. So these are the things you will need. So now let's start stitching. We'll start with wrong side of the dupatta facing on top like this. The wrong side is facing on top. So I have measured the dupatta and I have attached these pieces, the satin strips. So here's the joint. You will have to make this. So I'm going to start sewing here. This is the wrong side facing on top, and this will be the satin, but right side of the satin will be facing on top. You just have to match the edges. And then I will place this lace like this. So leave half an inch from here and place this. So I will be stitching here right next to the piping. So very carefully place it and attach it. So we are stitching all 3 pieces together, so we will not rush. We'll take our own time so that the finishing is neat. So this way you will stitch till the end, and I'll then show how to finish the corner. So I've stitched 3 sides. This is the 4th side and the last side that is left. Here I want to show how to turn this when you're doing this part. So what we'll do is, there is so much net left. I'm going to stop it here like half an inch inside. So this is where the net ends, but I'm going to stop till here. So I've stopped half an inch before the net ended. Now we'll have to turn the net like this and also turn the satin. This part might look a little tricky, but it will be fine as in how you proceed. Don't pull the fabric too much, otherwise it might tend to get wrinkled slightly. Once you make a couple of stitches, it will be easier. So this way you will finish all the sides. So this is the point from where I started, and this is how it is going to end. So at this point here, this is too wide, so what you have to do is measure the width of the lace and fold the satin to the same width like this, pinch it inside and then place this fabric and stitch it. Now we'll cut the extra satin here. And then we'll have to fold this inside. Fold it and stitch it till the end here. We'll trim the extra lace later. So now come back, because we have to fix this part. We'll just stitch it along here before we cut the thread. Fold it neatly and stitch it on the satin. Now I'm going to leave this part because we will have to fold it when we are fixing this. So I have not stitched it till the end, I have left this part here. So now the right side is facing on top and we are going to stitch along this line to fix the lace to the net, and later we will fix this part. So now make sure you are not stitching the satin fabric. So this is very easy. So I've reached the other corner again. So this is how you'll have to do the corner. Just fold it, make a triangle like this and stitch it. So once you reach this point, turn the fabric and make a stitch along this line. I'm going to turn back. Turn the fabric again and then continue stitching the straight line. So now we are going to fix this satin piece. I've just folded it and we will stitch it on the same line where we have stitched the lace on the other side. So fold it and stitch it. So that way dupatta will look very nice on the inner side. Otherwise this is how it will look if we don't give this interfacing or this satin lining. This is how it will look. Obviously this is much better than this untidiness here. So that's all in this step. You just have to keep stitching. So I've reached the corner again. We'll repeat the exact same thing what we did with the lace. So since this is satin, it is kind of slippery. I think I'll just stitch it. Okay. So this one you will have to fold it like this, and then fold back to form this triangle here. And then tuck this in and stitch it. If you want, you can use pins to pin it up before you start stitching. So now I'm going to turn this and stitch it on this line here. Then go back and stitch the remaining. So here is the final outcome or the final look of this designer dupatta. It looks really nice and stylish. I love the colors. I made it for myself. Very soon I will also post on doing Ari embroidery on a kurti, because I want to pair a raw silk kurti along with this dupatta. And about the length of the dupatta, it is totally up to you. If you want, you can choose to have 2.5 meters or 2.25 meters, depends on your height and the length you want. So see how pretty it looks. So it's very easy to make and you don't have to shell out a lot of money. All you need is some good fabric which suits your dress and some matching lace. So within few minutes, or maybe I think I took about an hour to complete this, and you can just make it all by yourself at home. So I guess that's it for today. I hope you guys like this idea of making designer dupatta. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.